Hi, and welcome to this mindful yoga flow. In today's practice, we'll slow down and reconnect with your body. Really, just a few minutes of yoga a day can make a big difference in how you feel. The hardest part is starting, but you're already here, so let's begin. Find a comfortable cross-legged position. And that means if you're not comfortable sitting on the floor, you might want to elevate the hips a little bit more to bring more ease into this posture. So simply grab a pillow, a blanket, a bolster, a yoga block, whatever you might have at hand, and place it underneath your seat and see how that feels. Now, once you're ready, inhale, reach the left arm up, elongating the left side of the body, and then as you exhale, lean to the right. And then switching, inhale through the center, reaching the right arm up, and then exhale, lean to the left. Inhale through the center, left arm up, and then exhale, lean to the right. Inhale, center, right arm up. Exhale, lean to the left, perhaps each time finding a little bit more depth. Inhale, center. And exhale, lean to the right. This time, hold it here, breathing steadily. Inhale, come back from the center, right arm up. Then exhale, lean to the left and hold. And as you lean, make sure that the right sit bone doesn't just lift off the ground. You want to keep it rooted down on your mat. And then from there, keep elongating across the right side of your torso. And then inhale, come back to the center. And exhale, release. And then interlace the fingers behind your head. As you inhale, press the head back into your hands, lifting the chest up. And then exhale, start doming the back. Bring the elbows together and chin towards your chest. Inhale, arch, opening the elbows out to the sides. Press the head back, reach the chest up. And exhale, dome, and curl in. Inhale, reach. And exhale, dome the back, chin to chest. 2 more times. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale, release. Then bring the hands to the top of your mat. Then step back into downward facing dog. Once you're here in downward facing dog, let yourself walk the feet in place a few times to just ease the back of your thighs. And find more comfort and ease in this shape. And then with your next inhale, come forward to plank position. And as you exhale, lower the knees down. And then with control, bend the elbows and lower down to the floor. Point the toes. Inhale, lift the head and chest up to cobra position. Lifting an amount that works for you. And then exhale through all fours. Tuck your toes under and come to downward facing dog. 1 breath here. And then inhale, come forward to plank. And exhale, knees down. And with control, lower down. Inhale, cobra. And exhale, downward facing dog. 1 breath here. And then inhale, come forward to plank position. And if it feels good, you could lower directly from plank with control or continue bringing the knees down first. Inhale, lift the head and chest up to cobra. And then exhale into downward facing dog. And then as you inhale, extend the right leg back behind you. And exhale, step the right foot to the outside of your right hand. Then circle the left heel down to the floor. And you could bring the forearm up to your thigh, or you could keep your right hand on the floor or use a block, for instance. And then extend the left arm up and over your head to the side angle position. And then release, bring the left hand to the floor, pick the left heel off the mat, allowing for an extra breath here, lifting the chest forward. And then with the next inhale, reach the right arm up to the sky, turning the torso to the right. And then release, right hand to the floor, right foot steps back, inhale in plank position, and then exhale, your choice of lowering down. Knees down first or not, and simply lower with control. Inhale, lift the head and chest up to cobra, and exhale, downward facing dog. As you inhale, extend the left leg back behind you. And then exhale, step it forward to the outside of the left hand. Then circle the right heel down. You can choose to bring the forearm onto the thigh or keep the left hand down on the floor. And then extend the right arm forward. And then release, right hand comes to the floor, pick the right heel off the mat, come here to the center for a moment, take an extra breath here. And then with the next inhale, extend the left arm up. And then exhale, release, left hand to the floor, left foot back to plank position. Inhale in plank, and exhale, your choice of lowering down. Point the toes, inhale, lift to cobra. And then exhale into downward facing dog. One breath here and down dog. And then with the next inhale, step both feet behind your wrists with the toes pointing out to the long edges of your mat or towards the front corners of your mat. And bring the hands together at your heart for the deep squatting position, the yogi squat. And then release, reaching the hands to the floor. Right hand comes off the mat with the shoulder in front of your inner thigh. And then inhale, extend the left arm up. If this is quite difficult for you, you could place a block underneath your seat for support. And exhale, release, switching sides. Left hand comes to the side. Inhale, extend the right arm up. And then exhale, release. Bring the hands to the floor and then step back to plank position. Inhale here and plank. And then exhale, lower. Inhale to cobra. And then exhale into downward facing dog. And from downward facing dog, inhale, come forward to plank position. And exhale, lower down, and then stay here. Extend the right arm out to the side and bend the elbow. And make sure that the elbow is a little bit higher than your shoulder when you look out to the side. And then slowly from here, turn onto the right side. You can bend the left knee and reach the left foot to the floor behind you. Left fingertips stay here in front of your chest for support. And breathe. One more breath. And then exhale, release, returning onto your belly. Then bring the left arm out to the side with your elbow bent. And then turn onto your left side, bend the right knee, and then reach the foot to the floor, right fingertips staying here in front of your chest for support. And then exhale, release, returning back onto your belly. And then send the arms alongside the body with the palms facing up to the ceiling. Then inhale, lift the heart and lift the legs off the mat and hold. Breathing steadily through the nose. One more breath. And then exhale, release. Bring the hands beside the ribcage. As you inhale, press up to all fours position. Keep the knees together, big toes together. Then send the hips all the way back to the heels. And stretch the arms forward. And you could bend the elbows here. Press the palms together, pointing the fingers towards the ceiling. And then lower the forehead down to the mat. And then release and slowly come up to a seated position. Swing the legs forward. Bring the soles of your feet together. Knees point out to the side. Inhale, prepare. And as you exhale, curl in, forehead towards your feet. And then inhale, come up to sitting. And well done. Thanks so much for tuning in today for yet another one of those classes that help you build your yoga habit. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.